Hey there YouTube friends, today I'm going to change the oil on my Troy Bilt rider mower, and I just drove it around for a little bit to get the oil warm, and you can see that I'm parked on a slant, and that's to help the oil drain. Right here is the oil filter on the right side of the mower, and if I come around to the left side of the mower and I get down over here, here's the electric starter, and past that, right down in there, is the drain plug for the oil. Now you might expect to use a socket on it, but that's not the case. This is all I need to get the drain plug out. It's just a 3/8 extension on a socket wrench. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how I loosen up the drain plug. So I got my 3/8 extension, and I'm just going to start to loosen it, but I'm not going to take it out all the way because we have to catch the oil. It's in a pretty lousy spot and that oil is going to run all over, so I'm just going to loosen it now, and I'm going to get the drain sleeve. Alright, so there's no way I'm going to get my oil pan next to the mower because we have the rear wheel jutting out, so it's not going to fit. But they give you this drain sleeve right here as an extension to catch the oil and then have it run out like that. But I'm just going to try to catch it in a little painter's bucket here, and I'm sure this will be messy. Alright, now I'm just getting that drain plug out. And here comes the oil, and as you can see, it's going all over the place. But that's how they do it. Alright, so that's the oil drain plug. I'm just going to put the extension on it like this. And now I'm just going to screw it back on. Alright, so now I'm just going to tighten it up a little bit. And now we're good for this side. Okay, if it's your first time taking the oil filter off, you might need an oil filter wrench to do that because they put it on pretty tight. But I was able to get mine off. And you can see I have a washcloth under there to catch up any excess oil. And that's the filter you want, 751-12690. Alright, so this is the Troy Bilt replacement filter. Again, there's the number 751-12690. And the only place I was able to find this and bring it home in the same day was the Tractor Supply store, and it cost about 20 bucks. Alright, just as if you were changing the oil filter on your car, before you put it on, just put a little oil on the top and rub it around the rim like this. Alright, and now I'm just going to screw it on. There's no need to make it super tight, just maybe a quarter of a turn once it touches. Alright, the mower takes about 47 fluid ounces, which is about 1.5 quarts. You know, check your dipstick as you're doing it. But to pour the oil in, we have to pour it down the dipstick hole over here. And you can see there's not enough clearance to pour the oil from the container. So I got this little flexible funnel from Walmart for about 75 cents, and I'm just going to put my funnel in here like this, and I'm using 1030 motor oil, and now we'll just pour it in. Alright, I got to put about another half a quart in. Clean my dipstick off and put it back in, and then I'll take it for a little ride. Alright, so now I'm going to check the oil level. I'm going to pull it out. Just going to clean it off real quick. Put it back in. Give it a turn. Take it out again. And the oil level is up to here, so we're good. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that completes the oil change. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like and please subscribe. Happy mowing. See you next time.